Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss about how we can find many records using ID. So before this you already know about how we can find only single record using find method. So in the find method you pass an ID and you find a single record. So how you can find multiple records using ID. So before this going to start, first let me tell you that who I am. My name is Dayat Niazi and I'm a full stack web developer. Nowadays I'm shooting different playlist and different types of videos on the Laravel. I have also a community tab where I'm posting the different tips and tricks on the Laravel on the daily basis, and I have shooted almost 15 plus playlist on the Laravel, so you don't forget to check them out. So I have already covered many advanced features on the Laravel, so please watch these videos. So these are very helpful. So now let's come back to our topic. Our topic is how we can find many records using multiple IDs. So before this you are using user find one and you are finding the user based on the ID. So how you can find the multiple users using ID? So you need to pass an array and then you need to define this in the array. So like I define 1 and 2, save this one and give it a refresh, and yes, now we are getting the two users based on their IDs. So you can also get multiple whatever you want, so you can get directly 1, 2 and 5. So I have seeded these 5 users. So now I'm going to get the 1, 2 and 5 user, and yes, now I'm getting the 1, 2 and 5 user. So that's great. Hope this tip will get you an idea that how you can grab the multiple user from their idea. So if you like this video, please subscribe the YouTube channel and stay connected for more upcoming updates. I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.